Hello guys, this is Marco, the hetero guy. It's been a while, I would say more than a year, maybe a year and a half since the last time I posted something. Well, it's been quite an adventure, to be honest. We moved countries, so we are now living in Portugal. And the last year wasn't very easy, let's put like that. Like lots of changes. I moved in a single year more than 5 times, just to give you an example of what I'm talking about. So it's been harsh, but finally it's over now. We are in the final place and we will start making videos again. So last week I was in Brazil. I came back with some nice stuff from my home country. One of them is Datacorder. That's how it used to be called. It's essentially like a tape recorder. That is, it was created by a Brazilian company called Gradiente, and it's supposed to be used with a specific MSX computer called the Expert, which I have. So I bought 2 of those because it's very hard to find a working one. So both were basically busted, and the idea is to combine both to create a function one. Let's see if it works. I'm not sure. I have disassembled the first one, so I'm going to show you how it is right now. I'm still in the process of cleaning and checking the soldering points and everything else to make sure that everything is working. I have just realized that the motor is working, which is great. So probably it's just a matter of cleaning up the board and eventually like resoldering the components, changing capacitors, the usual. And this thing should be back on track. I will see if I can do that, and then you guys will see, of course. So let me show you what I brought from Brazil. It's not much, but it's something that I was looking for like since a long time, and I'm very happy that I found it. So I will begin with showing you guys the Datacorder, this tape recorder that is used with this particular MSX device. So let me just grab this stuff here, because this was basically drying up. Right, so let me change the camera view here. Okay, so sorry about the mess, but this is how it is right now. So this is basically the case for the recorder. As you can see, it's very tiny and very elegant, very compact. So that's why I love this so much. The colors, they match the MSX computer created by Gradiente. And you see that Gradiente is the brand, right? The maker actually that created this. And this is the model DR-1, right? And so this is only the case, the plastic case. It still needs some cleaning up, but as you can see, it's fairly good shape, no cracks or anything. So it's really good. Let me put this aside. So here you have the back, right? Nothing special, it's just the back. So in here you can see the logic board. As you can see, it's very simple, not a lot of components. There's a few capacitors and resistors and stuff like that. This is already cleaned up. I cleaned that yesterday. So the soldering points might need some redoing. As far as the track goes, like, they look functional from the test that I've done. So it's just a matter of resoldering some of the elements here and see whether or not this is going to be enough. Okay, not sure at this point. This is the second one that I bought. This is fully assembled, so I'm going to use that in order to be able to reassemble the other one that I disassembled. As you can see, they are quite compact, so it's kind of those difficult things to put back together. It's very easy to disassemble, but a number of different type of screws, and you don't remember exactly where the things go and things like that. So I think it should be okay, because I can use this one as the model. So this one is also non-functional. Neither is working, right? So hopefully I will get this one here working, and if needed, I can swap parts, and we go from there. So this is the motor. It's tested, working, right? It's actually in very good shape for the age. So let's see if I'm going to be lucky. So this is what the other thing that I wanted to show you. So this is a Brazilian version of the Sinclair Spectrum. So this is the TK85 from a company called Microdigital. It's ancient, from the 80s, early 80s, basically. This is not the very first one model that arrived in Brazil. The very first one would be the TK82, which I don't have. So this one here is it's in very good shape. According to the guy who sold me, it's not working. So I will have to disassemble it and check it to see what is wrong with it. This is basically the back of the unit. So it has a joystick board, and the make and year here is essentially for the recorder, the tape recorder, right? So to save data to a recorder and to retrieve data from the recorder. Video here, even though it looks like an RCA port, well, it is an RCA port, but it's not composite. This is RF, right? So you have to connect that to a TV and synchronize and tune to like channel 3 or something like that. So I will let you guys know afterwards how it is, how am I going with that, everything. So this is the Datacorder that I was showing you guys before, now in assembled, fully assembled, not fully assembled. This is that unit that had the bottom already missing, right? This is the one that I'm going to be using as a spare. It's just more like for you guys to see how it looks like once assembled. So it's very tiny, very compact, right? Very thin and very elegant. The design of this is fantastic. I never saw a tape recorder like this anywhere. So hopefully I will be able to recover one of those two units, and I will let you guys know, okay? So that's it for now. I'm not going to record me working on them, but if they work, or one of them work, I will tell you what I've done to get it to work, okay? Thank you guys.